Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to construct parallel lines. On your page, line AB will already be provided to you. If line AB has not been provided, you need to draw it in yourself. What is important to understand from the question is to know what is the distance between the parallel lines. In order to start the drawing, you firstly have to place two random dots on line AB. You place the dots round about a third or a quarter apart from each other in the spread of the line, and label these dots as number 1 and 2. Now you will take your ruler and your set square and make sure that your ruler is perfectly parallel to line AB and draw a light construction line perpendicular from the first point straight up. The second step is to take your ruler and set square and place it now also at number 2 and make sure that the ruler is still parallel to line AB and draw another perpendicular line from number 2 straight up. Now you need to make use of your compass and read the question once more to make double sure what the distance would be between line AB and the next parallel line. If, for example, the distance between the two parallel lines is 30 millimeters, you need to measure with your compass 30 millimeters on a ruler. And then you will draw a light construction arc 30 millimeters away from point 1 at the perpendicular as seen here. The next step is to place your compass then also still stretched at the 30 millimeters as an example and draw another light construction arc onto the second perpendicular line as shown here. Where the perpendicular line and the pinnacle of your arc will meet at both number 1 and 2, that is the touch point of your parallel line that needs to be drawn in, like you will see in the next step. Next, you need to take your ruler, make sure that it is still perfectly parallel to line AB and that the edge of your ruler actually meets with the touch points at the pinnacle of the arcs at number 1 and 2 and where the vertical construction lines meet with those arcs, and draw a solid line through those intersections. And this will create your parallel line. This line will then be perfectly parallel to line AB. And lastly, we will label the parallel line as line CD. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the tutorial on how to construct parallel lines.